Certainly. Here are some positive reviews about the Anker 675 USB-C docking station. 1. Versatility and connectivity. The Anker 675 USB-C docking station has completely transformed my workspace. It effortlessly connects all my devices, from monitors to external hard drives and peripherals. With its comprehensive array of ports, it's truly versatile. 2. Compact and stylish design. I love how compact yet stylish the Anker 675 docking station is. It sits neatly on my desk without taking up much space, yet its sleek design adds a modern touch to my setup. 3. Reliable performance. I've been using the Anker 675 docking station for several months now, and it hasn't disappointed. It delivers consistent and reliable performance, seamlessly handling multiple devices simultaneously without any issues. 4. Efficient charging. Charging my devices is a breeze with the Anker 675. The USB-C port provides fast charging for my laptop and other gadgets, allowing me to stay productive without worrying about battery life. 5. User-friendly setup. Setting up the Anker 675 docking station was straightforward. It was plug-and-play for most devices, and the included instructions were clear and easy to follow. Within minutes, I had everything connected and ready to go. 6. Great value for money. Considering its feature set and performance, the Anker 675 docking station offers great value for money. It's competitively priced compared to similar products on the market, but doesn't compromise on quality. 7. Excellent build quality. The build quality of the Anker 675 is impressive. It feels sturdy and well made, which gives me confidence that it will last a long time. Anker's attention to detail is evident in every aspect of this docking station. 8. Customer support. Anker's customer support is top-notch. When I had a minor issue with my docking station, their support team was quick to respond and provided a satisfactory solution, ensuring I was back up and running in no time. 9. Ideal for home and office. Whether I'm working from home or in the office, the Anker 675 docking station meets all my connectivity needs. It's a versatile solution that adapts to different environments seamlessly. 10. Overall satisfaction. I would highly recommend the Anker 675 USB-C docking station to anyone looking for a reliable and efficient docking solution. It enhances productivity and simplifies device management, making it an essential part of my setup.